Give it up, cause it's gonna be alright when you're with the Most High. He's gonna make sure everything's alright.
Hey everybody, how you doing? It's Yapah. So today, like I said before, I was gonna start working on the other client's skirt, and something just told me to text her and let her know I'm starting, and if there's like any waist changes and stuff like that. So I'm glad I did, because her waist is different, and if she wanted me to add elastic to the back of it so that way it can basically I did myself up again and I just wiped my eyebrows. I'm not used to wearing stuff on my face. Okay, I don't know if y'all can tell, but oh well, it's smeared. She has a waist change, so I now have to adjust the pattern I made already. Hopefully not by too much. I mean, she didn't gain that much weight, but now I have to redo the pattern basically. So I'm trying to see where she would want me to start off at, closer to the lower end of where she is in her waist, like 2 inches below that, because there's gonna be elastic in the back anyway. So if she wants me to start 2 inches below that, her waist measurements, I don't know why I can't think of the words I'm trying to say. If she wants me to start 2 inches below the waist point and then add the elastic and it'll stretch, you know, to where she is, or she wants me to start where she is right now and just add the elastic in case she gains more weight, or I don't know, maybe she plans on losing the weight, so if she goes down, then, you know, I don't know. Normally I wouldn't ask all these questions, but because I'm so late and I'm so late in getting these orders out because of my pregnancy and stuff like that, I just kind of dealing with it as if it is a custom piece. All of the orders are not going to be like that, so this is just special circumstances as to why I'm doing this way. So I'm just trying to give a little extra love and care just to let customers know, hey, I know this was a long time, I'm sorry, it wasn't your fault that I was pregnant. Like, I'm just, you know, nobody's fault like that, but you know, it's, you know, I got pregnant, I got sick. They shouldn't have to have waited that long, but because of the circumstances, they had to. I don't know if you're understanding what I'm trying to say, but yeah. So yes, I'm trying to see what she wants to do. Hopefully this can be done. She didn't answer the question. Let me see. Oh, I responded too fast. My bad. It just says 37 LS because I don't want it too tight because, okay. Okay. Okie dokie. Alright. So yeah, I'm gonna get started again. Now I gotta figure out what I'm doing. I already cut out, something told me not to cut out the back pattern. I already cut out the front, so now I have to figure it out. I could probably just try to see how I can rig it, like use the lining fabric because it's black and I can see the markings better on there. Use the lining fabric, use the back pattern changes that I have to make, use the back pattern changes that I have to make, use it for the front, and adjust the darts for the front. So I may do that because to help me save time, so I don't have to start completely from scratch with the pattern making. So yeah, so I'm gonna get to work. I'll see you guys later. Bye.
Come on. sham and sinking in the sand. Not following the trends, don't care about your fans, just love your fellow man.
Hey guys, so I am going to be done for today. I think I used up a lot of my brain capacity for today. Changing this pattern to a bigger size. It's looking pretty good. I just need to finish fleshing it out, like making the hip more curved into where it needs to be. I don't know if you can see any of this because of the sun. So yeah, I have the hip here, just making it curved, just making sure I have the right amount of ease and allowance and stuff. So just making sure it curves nicely, and then I have to extend these triangles over so that it fits. So fun. I'm almost done. I already moved over the darts. I don't know if you can even see that. Can you see that? Darts. So move the darts over from here to here, from here to here, and moved them over to here, moved over to here, and move. This was the original. Now it's over here. Here's the allowance added. And yeah, so I gotta finish this. Probably not today. I kind of want to later on today, but how my body works, I need to take a nap. So I need to eat and take a nap. So I'm going to do that, and maybe most high willing, after our naps and our lunches, maybe I can find some time to work on this. Dinner's already made for the week. We probably have a day or two left on our food. So that means I'm gonna have to cook again soon. What to make? If you got some food suggestions, let me know. I feel like this is angled wrong. Okay. I feel like I was leaning like this. If you have any food suggestions, let me know. I need something that lasts a week. At least a week. No, not at least a week, but a week. We don't want to go past a week. That's too long. A few days to a week. That'd be great. So that way Hubs can help me out. All he has to do is warm it up, watch the kids, and I can finish working. So maybe if I have the energy later on. I've been feeling pretty good lately. Baby has been doing me good. You know, this water has been doing me good. So I want to see how this works out. Hopefully I can eat my second lunch and then get started on this again. I want to get done with this. I want to get to the fabric part of this. I don't know if I really worked out the other material. Maybe if I ask the customer, maybe she'll actually really like the neon pop of the color, or if she wants it the original way, then I have to see what fabric I can scrap up real quick or just look again. But yeah, I'm going to go. I'll see you guys later. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Okay, I know this one's probably short, so it's gonna be combined with the last one, and yeah, probably be combined with the next one as well. So I don't know if I want to do that because then that shortens it, and I already need to make. You don't need to know all that. Okay, all right. That's what I have to figure out. Oh, my sister, she does like Adobe stuff. Like she does like that Illustrator and make things look nice, like different and stuff. And she really helped me out with some things as far as like she helped with, she did Photoshop on my photo shoots. So I'm just that just made me super happy. I'm so excited. Thank you, sis. You're so awesome. You're talented, okay? Talented. So I'm really excited about that. And yeah, because right now I can't afford to buy every single color for these pieces, like for sample pieces, like to show off the different colors in photos and stuff like that. Like I can't afford to do that right now. So right now she was able to change the colors of the dresses on the models, which is working out awesomely so far. So I'm excited about that, and then I can like start putting more images out on my social media, so that way it looks more like there's more variety, and people will gravitate more to the models wearing the actual clothes and the colors and the different colors, rather than me putting the same picture up of the model in the same color and then like next to it posting like the fabric in the different colors that it's available in. You know what I mean? I hope that made sense. It made sense when I was saying it. It made sense in my head. So yeah, that's I'm excited about that. Thank you. I'm so excited. So, and they turned out so nice. So I'll probably show you guys in the next one. But yeah, we're still going over things. So I'm excited about that. And yeah, I'm gonna go and do what I said I was gonna do. Okay, all right. Bye guys, see you later. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to see something specific, some type of tutorials, beginning sewer stuff, very, very, very beginning stuff, like what machines to get or use, that at least the ones that I've used, and sewing basic 101, how to sew a straight stitch, how to thread your machine, like stuff like that. Just let me know so I can like try to schedule out some time to do them for y'all. And eventually, like, I want to do like a beginner's class type thing online, but we'll see. Time is always the thing, so we'll see. And I'll talk to you guys later. Okay, all right. Well, let me know what you want in the comments. Put them down there in the comments, please. All right, see you guys. Bye.
And if you didn't know, now you're gonna, yeah.